Hey guys, welcome once again to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lydia, and if you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome once again, and thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. For the new ones, you're very much welcome on this channel. We do cooking vlogs, DIY, fashion, and anything Mombasa. So in today's video guys, I'm going to show you guys how to make coffee from scratch. Okay, I'm not going to show you. My friend will be making coffee for us. So she decided she's going to make coffee for us, like from scratch. You just go and buy the seeds, you just do everything. So you guys are just going to see and enjoy the video because this was amazing. We learned a lot and we enjoyed the process of making, like from everything. We really enjoyed the process. So I just hope you guys are going to like and enjoy the video. So let's get into it. So first of all, you have to roast the coffee beans until they turn golden brown. Make sure you don't turn them black, because when they get burnt, the coffee is going to be bitter. So you just have to be careful to do not make them black. So here she was just roasting them. So after that, when the coffee beans are ready, now you just have to ground the coffee beans until when it is powdering. She usually add cardamom, cinnamon, and cloves. I guess this was secret ingredients. So you guys, I'm giving you the secret to make perfect coffee, because this coffee was really amazing. I'm not usually a coffee person, but this one, oh, I will give it a 12 out of 10. So keep on watching and enjoy the video. Guys, how cute is this coffee making pot? Look how cute it is. So here she was just now making the coffee. I really like the set that she was using, the pot, the cups. They're really cute. So guys, how do you like your coffee? With milk, without milk, with sugar, without sugar, strong or not that strong? Let me know in the comment section. How do you like your coffee? Mine, I like it with sugar definitely, and milk. So I don't usually take coffee. Guess it affects me, but this one I did not have any reaction, which means it was a really good and healthy coffee. So thank you so much for watching till here. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Till next time, bye. So guys, before closing the video, I will really appreciate if you make a quick stop to this channel. I'm going to leave the link in the description box, and I'm going to leave also the link in the comment section. I'm going to pin the link, or you can just say search for this channel, Rays of Sly. Please, she's almost hitting 1000 subscribers, so I will appreciate if you just click in any of those links, or just search for Rays of Sly and subscribe to her channel. I will really and highly appreciate. She does everything Mombasa. She does cleaning, she does home shopping. She's just amazing. Her content, you love her content. So I'm begging you guys, let's all come together and help her hit 1000 subscribers before the end of this month, please guys. So thank you so much for watching, and also remember to subscribe to this channel and comment. Yeah, till next time, bye.